Amid demand concerns, Tesla cuts prices by up to $13K in the U.S. Now, this was the topic that I saw brought up in the chat. Mm-hmm. And this was a curious one. What is the reasoning? Have they been watching our show? Did they read the luxury report where we were like, wait a sec, man, Teslas are still expensive. Like, weren't they supposed to come down? Wasn't there supposed to be a cheaper model of Tesla at this point? And then we had the luxury brand comparison where like Tesla ranked #1 luxury brand. And you're like, wait, what? Tesla's massively cut prices across new models in the U.S. and Europe, with the largest price drop occurring on the Model Y, which is now $13K and 20% cheaper than it was yesterday. Now, imagine if you had your pre-order, if you had your agreement in advance of that price drop. You're going to want a little compensation or what, Will?
I would like, but...
what do you think, Will?
I think it's hopeless.
You're not going to go for it? Because, wait a second, how long have you had your car for?
2 months.
2 months, and you paid a full pop.
Yeah.
And yours went down, what, like 15%?
I think a couple grand last time I checked.
Yeah, so Elon, call him up. Call him up and be like, hey, man, just a couple grand. What's it to you? Yeah, not like everybody else would do. I wonder what their threshold is for orders and then going backwards on a decrease like that. Over the course of the last year or so, Tesla has continually raised prices, and other automakers have been raising prices as well. But in recent weeks, we've seen signs that Tesla might need to shore up demand, or at least that price hikes have gone a little too far. This is all big picture stuff, global economic stuff. Everyone's worried that the spending goes down, and they're just getting their production figured out. And they're like, uh-oh, we need a place to put these cars. Anyway, so here's a chart with the price difference depending on model. Biggest savings. Oh, look at my car. Model S Plaid, 21 grand. You better stop it, Will. 21,000 US less? You better stop it, Will. I need to call somebody up. Never mind you. I've had mine for too long, though. Holy cow, that is a big price decrease. Well, on that model, obviously, a lot of it has to do with the starting price. And it's percentage decreases from as much as 19% or 20% all the way down to 6%. So actually, the Model 3 saw the least in
it wasn't a lot.
Wow. I mean,
every dollar counts.
Yeah, well, easy there. It's $3 grand we're talking here.
Yeah.
So $46,990, and then new entry price into a Model 3, into any Tesla, the new entry price, $43,990. Which, no, you're not satisfied. You think it should be 39?
I mean, they were going for the 35K.
Yeah, so
at some point.
So what if you had 39,990? That's a big mental difference, right? It's 43,990, 39,990. But that is very, very interesting stuff. Up to 20 grand in difference. Other configurations, including performance models, have received price cuts. Wow. And then obviously you have tax credits on top of that, right? Jeez Louise. Everyone's going to have one of these electric cars or what, Will?
I hope so.